Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China's coal imports from Australia picked up in 2023 after a ban of nearly 2 years was lifted, but they remain below pre-ban levels as the supplier tries to regain market share from cheaper competitors in Mongolia and Russia. Tech shares helped power the S&P 500 to its first record high, close in 2 years on Friday, to confirm a bull market, while European stocks registered weekly declines amid fading expectations for central bank interest rate cuts. The dollar edged lower on Friday, pausing after 5 straight sessions of gains, but still poised for a weekly climb, as recent economic data and comments from Federal Reserve officials dampened expectations of rapid cuts in interest rates.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence ADG at 05:30 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's German BUBA monthly report at 1100 hours GMT. China's PBOC interest rate decision at 01:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.